The Food Service Exchange presents
Crown Verity presents this week's Recipe on the Grill.
I'm Steve Adams from Crown Verity Barbecues. Today we're doing cedar plank salmon with I Dream of Drizzle sauce. We've got a really nice fresh Atlantic salmon. You don't get any fresher than that. Skin on. We're going to cook this direct on a cedar plank. I've got it pre-warming right now, pretty high because I want to start this thing on fire. This is a cedar plank, clear cedar that's been soaked for about half an hour. You can soak it as long as you want, doesn't matter. It's just going to settle down the burn a bit. I'm going to line the plank with some lemons. Oh yeah, like this, right down the side. I'm going to lay the salmon on, right in the center like this. And sprinkle a little bit of grind, a little bit of fresh sea salt on the top. Perfect. A little bit of pepper. I'm going to put this on direct for about 15-20 minutes. It all depends on how thick your fillet is. This is a nice piece of fish. Directly on, we're going to start that thing on fire, see how it goes. I'm going to finish off the tabbouleh. It's made with couscous, tomato, cucumber, parsley, and a little bit of lemon. We'll just finish this off and we'll stuff it into a radicchio leaf or an endive leaf, and it's going to be perfect. We'll just finish this off and we'll spoon her in and we'll have that ready for the side dish. Let's check our salmon. Oh, perfect. We'll just put this flame out like this. Gonna check the temperature. Now you can tell when it's finished and cooked when it starts to bubble white on the top like that. We're coming in like this, 120 degrees, perfect. We're gonna take this off, let it sit for a minute. I'm actually going to spray the bottom. Look at that. That is cedar plank salmon. Okay, the salmon smells absolutely fantastic. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of lemon on the top, like this, just for flavor separation. I know we have it underneath and it's going to hit it there, but a little bit on the top like this. One more fresh grind kosher salt on the top, more flavor separation. Some I Dream of Drizzle. This is so yummy. It's a very powerful drizzle, but if you haven't tried a balsamic reduction, you have to try this one. Yes, look at that. You don't get any healthier than this dish right here. This is as healthy as you can get. Fresh salmon, no fat whatsoever. This is a dish. Cedar plank salmon with tabbouleh for fishing the flats.